Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to our Pixie Look, our YouTube channel. In this video you can see these of the woman amazing beautiful pixie haircut idea. Amazing pixie hair, blazer hair, thick hair, thin hair, undercut hair, fine pixie hair, beautiful haircut fashion I am showing on my video today. So girls and guys, please watch till the full my video and enjoy my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press my bell icon, never miss any benefit and enjoyment in my video today. In this video there are amazing beautiful haircut fashion I am showing on my video today, so please girls and guys watch till the full my video. Different you can see this cutting with the scissor, very satisfying. I like this black color haircut fashion mac, transformation mac, very amazing. I like these in this type transformation. Different you can see this girl black color, their hairstyle very awesome. And this older woman silver color haircut fashion very awesome. And pink color pixie you can see this, wow, it's too much amazing pixie haircut fashion. So I hope girl you like my video. Different silver color of pixie haircut fashion, my favorite one, and silver color fine haircut fashion very beautiful, and silver color different haircut fashion very awesome, and they are very long hair, and boom, wow, they are make amazing undercut bun haircut fashion. What do you like this in this type of haircut fashion? Please tell me in my comment box. In this video you can see the also worldwide the best fashion of hairstyle like America woman, Canada woman, London woman, also Spain woman, Italy woman, Germany woman, Colombia woman, worldwide the best amazing haircut fashion I am showing on my video today. So please girls and guys watch till the full my video and enjoy my video. Different you can see this amazing haircut idea, and different silver and black color haircut fashion very awesome idea, and different black color amazing transformation making. So please watch till the full demo video. Wow, they are make amazing haircut idea. A purple color hairstyle you can see this girl very awesome. Different silver color hairstyle, they are very awesome. And also my love languages you can see their haircut transformation man, wow, they are amazing. What do you like in this type transformation of haircut? Please tell me in my comment box. And which type you need a video in future, please tell me in my comment box. Yes girl, I will make for you in future video for you. Different curly hair you can see this, they are amazing fine haircut fashion. Different golden and black color hairstyle, they are very amazing idea. And here we go, cutting with the machine, very satisfying. I like this. What do you like it? Please girl tell me in my comment box. And boom, they are make amazing haircut transformation. I like these in this type transformation. What do you like it? Please girl tell me in my comment box. Golden and black color hairstyle you can see this is my favorite one. Different golden and also black color undercut haircut very beautiful. Black color best hairstyle very awesome, and also girl backside view in this haircut very beautiful. I like this. And different silver color fine pixie haircut very awesome, and also silver color amazing haircut idea very beautiful, and also Creadit and also black color fine pixie haircut very awesome, and golden and black color, they are beautiful haircut fashion. So I hope girl you like my video, you enjoy my video. Please girl tell me in my comment box what do you like my video. Different black color hairstyle you can see this is my favorite of they are different you can see this amazing haircut idea. They are also golden color fine look of hairstyle very awesome, and golden color best haircut fashion very awesome, and silver color hairstyle, they are very awesome idea, and silver color fine pixie look you can see this girl very awesome. Black color boy cut of the girl you can see this girl my favorite of one. So I hope girl you like my video, you enjoy my video. Please girl tell me in my comment box what do you like my video. Then you can see the fine haircut fashion very awesome. If a curly pixie look you can see this girl very beautiful, and gold and black color, they are amazing hairstyle. I like these. If a black color hairstyle you can see this girl, I like these, and black color boycott of the girl, they are awesome fashion. So I hope girl you like my video, you enjoy my video. Please girl tell me in my comment box what do you like my video. Different you can see this amazing haircut idea. I like it. And different curly pixie look, you can see this my favorite one. Different you can see the girls silver and red hairstyle, they are very awesome. And also golden color fine pixie haircut, very awesome. And also different you can see the girl amazing idea, golden and black color, amazing haircut idea. And different you can see the golden and undercut haircut, very awesome idea. So thank you so much for the watching my video today.